Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are here for first August pre-market report. So today is the first candle and first month and the new candle will opens. Again we are stressing on that it is a new candle will open. Expiry day is doesn't mean that candle will close on the same day. Okay, I mean the candle will close on that day. Candle will actually close from 1st to 30th or 1st to 31st of every month. So be clear on this. It always works like this, not on the expiry date. Suppose expiry date is coming on 31st or Thursday. That doesn't mean that it is going to come on candle close on that day. So now let's understand how exactly the global index and as well as Nifty is influencing for this. The positive influences for the day is 6 and for negative influences for the day is 2. So who are all those positive influencers? Nifty, Gift Nifty is 4.5. It is bullish now and Dow Jones is also helping to become bullish. S&P and Nasdaq is not might influence negative or positive, but still it is not impact much. But Nasdaq and S&P 500 is positive. Nikki is also positive. That means Nifty is all the way. It is getting a push from global side to be on a positive. And USD INR is also negative. That is also pushing. Only thing is what is stopping? Gold is becoming positive. That means people are still thinking to invest in gold. That means there is a possibility or some kind of negative sentiment still holds too good for Nifty to pull it down. And crude oil, if crude oil is up, that means Asian Paints, Bharat Petroleum kind of stocks might pay more, ending up getting less profit after tax. That is also one of the thing where the Asian Paints will drop. So this is the scenario when Asian Paints is dropping. That is the meaning that Nifty 50 stocks or Nifty 50 is going less. So in this scenario, the Nifty 50 might influence on the negative. So the FIs are continued to sell and DIS have bought yesterday. So looking at the scenario, DIS are taking over the market now. So Nifty 50 has closed yesterday previous day, that is 19,753. Key support and resistance 19,945 and 561 is the key support and resistance. And Bank Nifty 45,651. Key resistance and support are 46,231 and 45,071. We guess today if market goes or bounce back, then it might touch 46,000 again back. So else it might trade in between this range. And today fin nifty expiry is there. Fin nifty and bank nifty, there are more nothing much great differences because most of the stocks are available in fin nifty and bank nifty. It's a common stock. So fin nifty also you can trace it with the help of bank nifty charts. And one more thing is fourth, that is on day after tomorrow, that is 4th August, SBI results are there. So there is a possibility that Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty might see a big violation in the market prices. Just have a look on this. Because of that, the premium also could be higher. Bank Nifty, SBI has influenced many times, at least 500 to 600 points movement in Nifty Bank whenever the results, pre-results or post-results. So there could be a possibility it could happen. Just have a watch on that. So yesterday it was a good time for market because we are seeing everywhere green except FMCG. FMCG was day before, that is on Friday. FMCG was positive, rest all negative, and it is like a exactly reverse scenario. That means what? FMCG is not having inclination or correlation with the other segments. So FMCG is behaving as a different because it is a B2C market. So when it is a B2C market, it does not depend on anything because customers are very scattered, maybe crores of customer. Even if they lose 100 customers, they might not lose the business. So that's why it is not going to come up with a B2B and B2C mix of business. So that's why we are seeing a difference. So that's a practically we are seeing it here. We were all these days we were hearing this one theory, right? This is a clear example. For FMCG is a B2C is nowhere comparison with B2B. That's the remark what it is saying now here. And looking at this Nifty glimpse, see previous day, that is on Friday, it has made kind of hammer or kind of a doji. But today it has taken the support. I mean, today means yesterday it has taken the support and exactly bounced back. This March support is holds good and it is not breaking. So it has made kind of a bullish pattern. And we cannot call it as a tweezer top or tweezer bottom. It is kind of a bullish engulfing also we cannot call. So what else we can call? No piercing pattern, no hammer. So only thing is we can call it as a hammer followed by entry point. No other pattern. So it is clearly saying that it is a price action also, but no chart pattern is seen. See, for example, if we see like this, it is not it is looking like a downtrend also, because it's a double top. And when we looking at a downtrend, double bottom also, it's not seen because it has broken this, and the candle has closed above this, so we can still see it as a double bottom. Just have a deeper look on a temporary. If we see, it is not a double bottom, but if we take this lower with the candle closure, it is actually seen as a double bottom. Just have a closer look, you will come to know, and you will see this double bottom is influencing market to turn back. Or if we consider, if the push is there, the March push support, it might bounce back the upward direction. If the pressure is not there, then it might come back. But for now, we can see on a temporary, we are seeing a double bottom as well. So we cannot ignore this double bottom. Please have a close watch on this. Bank Nifty anyway, clearly it is showing as a double bottom. It is taking a support very clearly from March support. March is giving a holds good support. Let's see whether will it continue the support and bounce back the market. SBI results are there. There may be a violation on Bank Nifty because of the SBI results. Let's wait and watch what's going to happen. So today there is a macroeconomic results, that is S&P Global Manufacturing, and day after tomorrow, that is S&P Global Services and S&P Global Composite, and Forex results on Friday. Yesterday's result, Bosch Limited. Bosch has given good growth on YoY and QoQ, so it could give a good traction. Let's wait and watch how market is going to behave. Castrol, again, it has given both YoY and QoQ has given a good result. Castrol is actually fundamentally is very good stock. That's why we have picked up for our daily result summary. Just have a close watch on that and have your own analysis. Sorry, I forgot to change this date as first. Okay, 34. That's correct. That's correct only. I'm sorry. So Maruti again. Maruti is the only stock which has shown negative in terms of QoQ. Otherwise, in the YoY, if they've taken last year, they have done 1036, and this year they have beaten 2525. So that means what? So looking at the scenario, this time it might cross the 10,000 mark. Many months or many years, maybe at least one and a year and a half, it's trying to beat this 10,000 mark. It has not beaten. This quarter results might impact and might influence Maruti become 10,000 rupees. Just have a watch on that. There is a possibility. So this week results, that is on 2nd August, we have Titan. Today there is a Titan results. Titan is expected. Tanishq, everybody is there. So Titan is going to be everybody's understanding is that Titan watches, why exactly it's going up? No, Titan watches is not alone. The jewelry is also included there. That's why the share prices are going like this, like a skyrocket. Anyway, this last quarter was a seasonal month for Titan, because there were festival, marriage, everything was there, and upcoming festivals are there. The Q2 and Q3, always Q1 and Q2 for them is always rocking. So we cannot discount that this quarter will not grow, or will not expected that, oh, it will not grow like that. It will definitely grow. Just have a watch on that. June, it might overbeat, and as well as March also it might overbeat. Let's wait for this results. And YoY and QoQ, we are expecting both to grow. And third, Adani Enterprises, always I'm fearing to talk, because we don't know how exactly it is working, and because it is exactly the result is different, and the equation is happening different, and investors thought process is different. It is very difficult to correlate, and technicals, so we cannot even understand that. So that's why I will leave it to the investors and as well as the watchers how exactly to go about it. But I don't want to put a word or comment on this, or my view on this, especially on Adani Enterprises, because it is very much wild behavior with respect to this asset, all these things. So let's not talk much on this. So Adani and Adani Enterprises and Adani Power looks to be good. We can still think of what exactly needs to be done. So YoY and QoQ to be grown. Adani Power is good. So Dabur, yes. So Dabur is the one which has actually, 293. They have shown the last March number. Market has fell to 505, and then it has bounced back up to 580 or 590 also sometimes in the last week or 15 days. But now if they post the same number, that is 293 range, then might meet the number again 500 rupees. There is a possibility because this time, Dabur being a FMCG, we are expecting something to grow. Let's see whether will it meet the investors' expectation. If it meets, there is a possibility that it could break 625 levels. There is a 625 is a highest or big resistance is there. If it breaks, then it's going to be a good rocking. Else, it might come back again to 500 levels or 480 levels. If 480 level comes, then it's for a very good choice for an investors to make a plan for an investment. So just have your own analysis. Just it's my view. It's for an education purpose. So Eicher Motors, again, we are expecting both YOY and QOQ to be grown. Lupin, last year it was so negative, and this year it has born. See, Lupin, if you look after it when it was in the Nifty 50, then it was performing. When after it has been invested by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji, then it was even going high when it is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji has come out, and then as well as Nifty 50 has come out. It was trading between 580 to 700 range now because it has beaten all the estimates, and then it is upbeating all the numbers of PAT, everything. So it started going up. Will it continue the rally? Will it cross 1000 mark again and then we'll go back to the rally? Let's wait and watch. This results talks many things on this looping. Let's wait for this results. MRF, many people knows it. It has crossed 1 lakh, and Madras Rubber Factory Limited is one of the standard company where it is upbeating across all the tire companies and then crossed 1 lakh. And you might be wondering when the stock is 1 lakh and the price is only 124 crore or 341 crore, what they're talking. Maybe they might not have splitted their stock. Maybe they might continue to say move ahead, same thing. And their market cap talks. Market capital is talking about 1 lakh crore stock. It is not about splitting or anything. Might not have done splitting, so it is going high. If they split the stocks, then people might be interested to invest in this stock because it is continuously growing without seeing any negativity. Let's wait and watch. If they split, it's going to be good. And Sun Pharma, what to expect? Sun Pharma, I think this quarter should do good because it is continuously showing profit. Sun Pharma also is expected to be grown. Let's wait and watch. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel.